shall make you feel. Yeah, look of the day.
I've never told him. Maybe not even till now. Maybe he'll watch this. But I have been in awe of Hrithik. Like millions of girls.
I would like to say that this, I think, probably is my most favorite love story that I have ever done in my life. This was special because it was just so automatic. I think Yami and I both kind of connected on the level of the emotions of the characters so beautifully that it kind of just flowed.
मैं अमिताभ बच्चन उनका दोस्त आपका वैवाहिक जीवन आनंदमय हो बस.
You know, when I'd met Hrithik for the first time, so I told him very silently, behind the smiles, just want to tell you that I'm extremely nervous. And please, if there are any number of retakes you want from me, anything you want to suggest, anything you have in mind, anything you want to guide, anything, please feel free.
They are both smiling, happy, colorful people. वो इस गम में नहीं जीते कि यार मैं अंधा हूँ या अंधी हूँ या देख नहीं पाता. They celebrate life much more than we do. And then when the two of them come together and you realize that there is so much joy and happiness and there's so much more light in their world than our own.
तेरे मेरे सपने सभी.
As an actor, I discovered that not seeing someone, increases your perception to absorb the person's presence. And you in fact get a bit more attentive to the tone and is she smiling, is she not, and to sense that. And it kind of like worked both ways. And it was just the most beautiful thing because then when we saw us on the monitor, we had very nice broad smiles on our faces, Felt really happy that this was working.
He has been such an inspiring figure, I can't tell you, not just as an actor, but also as a person. I have said it a number of times, maybe I'll always say, might irritate you, but thank you again. मैं पियानो बजाती हूँ और मेरे म्यूजिक पे स्टूडेंट्स डांस सीखते हैं. राकेश जी, Sanjay sir, Hrithik, and such a brilliant script and the challenging role, I couldn't have asked for anything better. It's actually dreams do come true.
यामी को भी जब हमने सुनाई तो यामी थोड़ा घबरा भी गई, बोली इट्स अ वेरी चैलेंजिंग रोल, आई हैवंट डन दैट.
कदम से कदम जो मिले.
मैंने यामी के लिए ट्यूटर रखा था, तो शी प्रैक्टिस्ड टीचर के साथ 2-3 महीने वो जुड़ी हुई थी और शी वॉज लर्निंग हाउ टू डू थिंग्स. और मैंने देखा कि नहीं, वो सही सुर में आ रही है.
It's a love story. What makes it special is the fact that Rohan and Supriya, the characters which Hrithik and myself we are playing, of course we know they're visually challenged, but that challenge is only for the world to see.
I think Yami and I both kind of connected on the level of the emotions of the characters so beautifully that it kind of just flowed.
For them, they have created their own world.
There were a lot of times that we kind of went off script and then came back to it, and it still worked out.
कुछ दिन से
And I shall make
आदत हो
Well, I love when that happens, when you, as an artist, you allow yourself to fly and you know that, the artist working with you are somewhere going to react to it, absorb it and give something back to you, and then kind of like just flows. It's beautiful.
Action. Cut. Fantastic. Beautiful.
I have not liked their performances, I loved their performances. Yami has really taken me by surprise. I didn't expect कि इतना बेहतरीन परफॉर्म करेगी, इतना flawlessly और fearlessly करेगी.
आदत हो गई.
are some moments which remain, I think, carved in your memory and in your life forever. So this was one of them.
Everyone asks me, what is that one thing that keeps me going in my life and makes me Kabil to do everything to the best of my ability? My family is a huge source of strength, and my friends who give me endless love and positivity, and you, my friends, who give me endless support. So when I have so much more, how else do I live? Now that you know what makes me Kabil. Are you Kabil?
लोग मुझे हमेशा पूछते हैं, what makes me get up every morning and live my life the way I do? मेरा जवाब, my family is the source of my strength, my kids who give me boundless joy and energy, and you, my friends who have supported me endlessly. So when I have so much and more, how else do I live? This is how. This is what makes me Kabil. Are you Kabil?
सपने सभी
I think the biggest musical influence on me is R.D. Burman, and after that it is Rajesh Roshan.
तेरे मेरे सपने सभी
बंद आंखों के ताले में है।
और राजेश के साथ जब मैं बैठता हूँ, हम दोनों में म्यूज़िक का ही खून दौड़ रहा है, क्योंकि फादर वाज अ ग्रेट म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर रोशन साहब, एंड माय मदर वाज आल्सो अ वेरी बिग सिंगर इन ऑल इंडिया रेडियो। तो वो खून हमारे रगों में दौड़ रहा है।
So I have grown up on their music. I have learned what is Hindi film music from them.
Good part about the music of Kabil is that it kind of merges an old world purity and charm, the new age.
चाबी कहाँ ढूंढे बता।
वो तो चांद के प्याले हैं, तो मुझे ये बोल बहुत अच्छे लगे। कुछ लोग कह रहे थे कि पुराने हैं, ये सब प्याला चांद वान। मतलब पुराना हो या अच्छा हो, दिल को छूना चाहिए। जो बात दिल को छूती है वो छूती है।
फिर भी सपने कर दिखाऊं, सच तो कहना बस यही। वहाँ से तुम चेंज करोगे क्योंकि तुमको बोलना है कि मैं काबिल हूँ कि नहीं भाई।
This track Kabil is very special because the lyrics is what their journey all about. So Rohan and Supriya, it's about their dreams.
ब्लाइंडनेस में एक आर्टिस्टिक टच आ जाता है फिल्म को, तो जब भी फिल्म में कोई आर्टिस्टिक टच होता है तो वो म्यूज़िक को वाइब्रेट करता है, म्यूज़िक को जागरण करता है। इट्स अ लिटिल ओल्ड फैशन सॉन्ग, थोड़ा आपको 90s का फ्लेवर मिलेगा इस गाने में, और वही इसकी खासियत है।
मैं तेरे काबिल हूँ या तेरे काबिल नहीं।
एक फिल्म मेकर का सपना होता है कि मैं लाइफ में एक बार अमिताभ बच्चन के साथ काम कर लूँ, तो वो मैंने कर लिया। फिर एक था कि राजेश रोशन के साथ। सो आई एम वेरी ग्लैड दैट आई गॉट द अपॉर्चुनिटी।
Then you will say la 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 la.
La 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 la.
That's it.
Kabil title track is all heart. It comes at a point where the characters have a sense of finally achieving a sense of normalcy in a life where the promise of that was non-existent.
तेरे मेरे सपने सभी बंद आँखों के ताले में है, चाबी कहाँ।
The song says it all when a blind man says कि मैं तेरे हर सपनों को पूरा करूँगा और तुझे हर चीज़ की हर खुशियाँ दूँगा। Dream how much you want.
when you find something that you've been yearning for all your life, and then you finally are in the arms of your dream, and you have a shot at a normal life, especially for these two blind people. They have a sense of security, a sense of safety, a sense of love, and they achieve that, and that's where this song happens.
ये शरारतें ये मस्तियाँ अपना यही अंदाज है समझाए क्या कैसे कहें जीने का इसमें राज है.
It has some very sweet moments, some very organic moments. Again, they've tried their best, to make sure that there is that little logic never leaves, the whole concept.
It just takes you through moments of the joy that two blind people would feel having achieved the paradise that they never even dreamed of.
From there he takes her to a carnival, then they enjoy small things जो हम भूल चुके हैं, जैसे कि bubbles होते थे. एक अंधे के मुंह पे जब bubble लगता है तो it's a different giggle they get and they start enjoying that. Having Hrithik as an actor, it was quite an easy task. But what surprised me most was Yami. Yami लगता था कि इसको बहुत समझाना पड़ेगा, इसको दिखाना पड़ेगा, बताना पड़ेगा, but no, she was at it. तो ये गाना बहुत ही close है to my heart.
मैं तेरे काबिल हूँ या तेरे काबिल नहीं.
रोमांटिक गाने मैंने कई किए हैं, but ये एक अलग रोमांटिक गाना था जिसमें how will two blind people romance.
हमारी काफ़ी डिस्कशन होती रही हर गानों पर, खास करके काबिल गाने पर, क्योंकि अंधे हैं, सड़कों में गा नहीं सकते हैं, कहाँ गाएंगे गाना, बहुत डिफिकल्ट था हमारे लिए.
So it was a difficult song, but at the same time very different to think.
तो हमने फिर बैठ के सोल्यूशंस निकाले कि हम इसको इस तरह पिक्चराइज करते हैं, यहाँ पे पिक्चराइज करते हैं, वहाँ पिक्चराइज करते हैं.
That's what makes Kabil so beautiful, and it's such a wonderful song, and we've just had such a nice time shooting that.
Yeah, lovely. Superb.
Kuch Din is, when you hear the song, it's a very soulful, kind of a I miss you, a little bit of a nostalgic space.
Roll camera, music. कुछ दिन से मुझे तेरी आदत हो गई है.
यकायक एक दिन बैठे बैठे मेरे दिमाग में ये ट्यून आ गई, एक रॉक टाइप की ट्यून, स्लो रॉक.
राजू ने कहा कि मैं एक आपको ऐसी मैंने गाना है जो मैंने कंपोज किया है, आप जरा सुन लीजिए. उसने जैसे धुन शुरू की, कंप्लीट भी नहीं की, वाकई में ये बात फैक्ट है, उसने कंप्लीट भी नहीं कही ट्यून, और मैंने कहा कि डन, ये गाना हम करेंगे.
wanted to do a song where this couple is out celebrating their birthday. अब वो लोकेशन कोई भी हो सकती थी. It could have been a mall. When you sit with Rakesh जी, it is always यार इसको और बेटर कैसे कर सकते हो, बड़ा कैसे कर सकते हो. तो बोला सर एक तरीका है, पर वहाँ आज तक किसी ने शूटिंग ही नहीं की है, परमिशन नहीं देते. तो इसी तो बताओ ना कहाँ करना है तुमको. तो ऐसे सर इमेजिका. तो इसे ठीक है. एंड नेक्स्ट डे मैं ऑफिस आया, बोला संजय इमेजिका में जाके शूट कर लो. He made it happen. So I guess that is the advantage of having a great producer who is equally passionate as well as powerful.
It's almost like a canvas. We might feel that there is something missing, but actually no, it's just picture perfect.
What we try to show over there is that normal people जो enjoy करते हैं, तो उसका मतलब ये नहीं कि जो देख नहीं सकते वो enjoy नहीं करते. वो शायद ज़्यादा करते हैं because they are feeling it more. So we showed that.
कुछ भी नहीं मुझ में मेरा जो भी है वो
It's all full of smiles and excitement and so much joy. It's just beautiful.
When you're on those rides, वो सडनली 10 माले पे जाके राइड यूं करके नीचे गिरती है, फिर ऊपर जाती है, फिर घूमती है, जो भी है. अब हम लोग जो देख पाते हैं और सब है, वो हम तो आंखें बंद कर लेते हैं पूरा. अब जो देख नहीं पाते उनको किस बात का डर? So I mean, Hrithik actually had to keep their eyes wide open. You know, so do that. I think it took a lot of guts and they did it.
ढूंढा गया जब भी मुझे तेरी गली में मिला कुछ दिन से मेरी तू जरूरत हो गई है.
Had a beautiful time shooting that song.
मुझको कसम लगे तेरे बिना मैं जीऊं.
Superb. Outstanding.
Sara Zamana is kind of, I think it manifested because of my desire or my fascination with the music of Yarana.
रोल कैमरा और चलेगा 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 चलेगा.
Guys, this is 150 kg. I'm dying. Oh my god.
कॉम्पैन डालो. चालू है. दो से.
किसी को मेरा शौक है, किसी को मेरा है नशा.
It's one of my favorite songs. I used to be crazy about that song.
मुझे पाने के वास्ते मांगे दुआ.
सारा ज़माना हसीनों का दीवाना, ज़माना कहे फिर क्यों बुरा है दिल लगाना. अच्छी तरीके से रिमिक्स किया है, आप सुनेंगे तो खुश हो जाएंगे.
1 2 3 4.
हसीनों का दीवाना, ज़माना कहे फिर क्यों बुरा है दिल लगाना. सारा ज़माना.
This version of the song is, I mean, it will make you want to get up and dance. It is incredible. So much passion and fire and the way it's been sung, and it's beautiful.
मैंने उर्वशी के 1-2 गाने देखे थे, लग रहा था कि इसमें बहुत टैलेंट है, तो मैंने बोला हम उर्वशी को लेते हैं इस गाने के लिए.
ये कौन कह रहा है तू आज प्यार कर ले.
We took Urvashi to do the song and she's brilliant as a dancer and she was all alone in the center and we don't have any dancers with her. So basically we had an idea not to use any dancers, keep her solo. और जितने dancers, we had about 250 dancers all on top.
ये कौन कह रहा है तू आज प्यार कर ले. जो कभी भी खत्म ना हो वो एक बार कर ले.
Well, the choreography in dance moves, it's very, very international and something which is never done before in Bollywood. For sure, all thanks to Emma. He is absolutely so sharp and crisp. He knows what he wants and it's great to work with him.
A portion of rap in it and we were like बाकी सब थोड़े boring हो गए हैं अभी. We've been listening to all the others. Raftaar we felt was an up and coming performer, so I said why not him, and he's done a fab job.
किसी को मेरा शौक है, किसी को मेरा है.
Sumit Basu, my production designer, has done a fantabulous job. And वो जो set लगाया सुमित ने, वो पूरा डोम का and the lights, super lights नीचे. I walked onto the set और मैं पागल हो गया था. यार ये क्या है?
It's definitely one of the most grandest song ever, and I'm sure that the fruits and the result of this video will be amazing. Yeah, I'm sure. I'm really sure.
1 2 3 4.
हसीनों का
so much. Thank you.
The big surprise of the day, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Come on, make some noise, ladies and gentlemen, for the performers over here.
कदम से कदम जो मिले तो फिर साथ हम तुम चले साथ हम तुम जहाँ वहीं पे बने काफिले छोड़ दो खुद को ऐसे मेरी बाहों में जैसे हवाओं में बादल कोई छोड़ दो खुद को ऐसे मेरी बाहों में जैसे हवाओं में बादल कोई कदम से कदम जो मिले तो फिर साथ हम तुम चले साथ हम तुम जहाँ वहीं पे बने काफिले सभी बोले सारी डारी डारी ये दीवानगी का है शो मोना मो आज सारे सपने चल पलकों में भर ले आज सारी खुशियों से यारा ना कर ले आज सारे सपने चल पलकों में भर ले आज सारी खुशियों से यारा ना कर ले जरा दी तारा सुनो तो यारा आज कर ले मनमानी थोड़ी ओ Mon amour, oh, oh, oh. Say yeah. रोज रोज गाए नीली शामें रोज रोज होंगे ना ऐसे हंगामे बाला रोज रोज आएगा ये नीली शामें रोज रोज होंगे ना ऐसे हंगामे जरा दीदारा सुनो तो यारा बेखुदी सी है छाई चारों ओर say 1 2 3 4 mon amour छोड़ दो खुद को ऐसे मेरी बाहों में जैसे हवाओं में बादल कोई कदम से कदम जो मिले तो फिर साथ हम तुम चले चले साथ हम तुम जहां तो फिर हो शुरू फासले जमी बोले सारी दरारी रारी ये बिरदान की का है शो mon amour mon amour mon amour mon amour
Hrithik Roshan, Yami Gautam, and of course, Udan Band. Give it up for them. Now you just said it, so banta hai thoda sa to, I think. Yami? है ना? You guys want to see them shake their leg? Hrithik and Yami? You got to make some noise, guys. You got to tell them that you want to see them shake a leg with Udan the band. So Hrithik, एक step तो बनता है हम सब के लिए. Udan, hit it! One more time, come on, let's do this.
mon amour
Come on, hands up in the air.
mon amour छोड़ दो खुद को ऐसे मेरी बाहों में जैसे हवाओं में बादल कोई mon amour छोड़ दो खुद को ऐसे मेरी बाहों में जैसे हवाओं में बादल कोई कदम से कदम जो मिले तो फिर से तुम चले चले साथ हम तुम जहां वहीं पे बने फासले तो फिर बोले सारी दरारी रारी ये दीवानगी का है शो mon amour
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
That was wonderful. Hrithik, a few words on this dhamakedar performance, Udan ki.
Wow, this, I feel so many things right now. I'm sure we all are a little surprised, a little shocked, very happy to see something like this. But to be honest, I'm not. I'm not, because I think we've seen so much in the past, in the whole journey of Kabul, that eyes are already open. And we have realized that the rest of the world is actually quite blind to the world of the blind, which actually is as able and as capable as ours, if not more. If not more. Yeah. So I find this really cool, you know. I want to call Udan the new Men in Black who are going to be inspiring the entire world. That's incredible. I'm just so happy and honored that they have chosen a platform like this to display their talent. So very honored, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. And Yami, you want to say a few words?
Thank you. I think you've just, I totally second your thoughts. You've just stolen my words and you have stolen our hearts, Uran. I think, I don't have words. I think you're just so amazing. We just wanted to actually sit there. We were almost dancing and cheering and hooting for you. Didn't know what to do. And Ritik's right. You're looking so hot, mon amour. So all of you. Thank you so much. And I think nothing could have been a better start to this event, to this launch. Better than Uran. Thank you so much. Thank you.
And you know what? We want you to meet a special duo, Keval and Deepak, the founders of Udan. So can we have Keval and Deepak on stage? Come on, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for them, please. They are the founders of this amazing band.
Okay, hi guys. That's a one step over there. Come. How are you? You're Keval, so that must be Deepak. I'll just say hello to Deepak as well. Hi Deepak, it's me, Ritik. Hi. Very happy to have you here. Very honored. Thank you for creating something like this. Thank you for showing us how much more capable and able we all are as human beings. I think it is a blessing. Whatever you have journeyed in your life is a blessing, and now what you're doing for us is a blessing to us. So thank you so much. I'll give you the mic if you want to say a few words.
I just want to say thank you so much to Ritik sir, Rakesh sir, Yami ma'am, and the entire troupe for giving us this wonderful opportunity. And I wish on the behalf of my entire troupe all the very best to the entire Kabil team. Thank you.
Oh.
Deepak, would you like to say a few words?
थैंक यू सर। इतना ही कहना चाहूँगा कि ये जो मौका मिला है, हम लोग कई सारी चीज़ें करते हैं, बहुत सारी कठिनाइयाँ आती है, लेकिन जब ऐसा मौका मिलता है तो इस गीत में जो लाइन है, आज खुशियों से याराना कर ले, तो ये याराना करने का सच में मौका है और सारी चीज़ें भुलाकर खुशियाँ मनाने का मौका है। और मेरी तरफ से भी बहुत बहुत बधाई इस फिल्म के लिए, और ये फिल्म सुपर हिट जाएगी, इसमें कोई शंका नहीं है, कोई डाउट नहीं है। थैंक यू सो मच सर। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Keval. Thank you, Deepak. Thank you, Ritik. Yami. Thank you. Now it's time to showcase the song, ladies and gentlemen. We'll play the video for you, more and more, and I'm sure you're gonna enjoy it. Jitna humne ye performance ko enjoy kiya. Udan, thank you so much. You guys are rock stars.
Thank you. One more time, guys. Thank you. Amazing.
Yeah. Thank you, Ritik. Thank you, Yami.
Thank you.
Thank you.
There's your mic.
Yeah. After that wonderful performance, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the song, jiska hum sab intezar kar rahe the. Yeah, that's another big surprise.
What timing? Ready?
I think most people know कि हाँ काबिल is a story of, it's a love story where two blind people and something bad happens and he takes revenge.
और एक अंधा आदमी फिर वो कैसे लोगों को ढूंढता है और कैसे रिवेंज लेता है, यही कहानी की यूएसपी है।
The rod comes. We should go for the hit. Lighting wise, our face is fine. The action, of course, was difficult because I could not make eye contact. I didn't know where the punch was coming from. I didn't know where the ditch was over which I had to jump. अगर आपने यहाँ से तो 1, 2, action. My eyes are looking there, and I know that I can fall. I will fall if I don't time my steps right. So I literally had to kind of become Rohan and absorb the powers that he has in the script. Mind-blowing. I think that's the first time in the film where I actually stopped and I said that, wait, you know, how are we going to do this? How am I going to do this because this and this and this and this?
I'll either come to you or else I'll call him. Idhar aa. Catch him, Nada. And say the line. Thak thak is fast. Thak thak and
I can't see. I have to kind of like, I actually literally had to fight blind.
ऋतिक का क्या है ना कि he starts living the character and that is not just on set. वो सेट से जाते भी हैं तो उनके दिमाग में वही चल रहा, अगले दिन की शूट चल रही है. Don't come forward. It has to be, you know, that people should feel. Don't and come to here.
A lot of it was based on music. It was based on rhythm, on timing. So that was difficult. The main action sequence was with Ronit because he was so incredibly fit and so up to doing every single thing with such energy and enthusiasm and sharpness, you know, to detail.
घर पे जाके रिवाइंड करके ठीक से देख.
कैमरा रोलिंग. हाँ. Action. 3, 2, 1. Project. निकालो बाहर.
In the whole film, there is a lot of intelligence by the character. He uses his brain, he uses his intelligence, he uses the places to his advantage.
I used to sit for 10, 15 days एक एक एक्शन पे कि वो कैसे हमें चीज़ें नई चीज़ें डाले कि एक अंधा आदमी कैसे साउंड के साथ प्ले करके रिवेंज लिया.
Thanks to the entire team of Shyamji and his entire action crew. रोहन भटनागर.
अरे तू कहाँ है बता.
आएगा ना. डरेगा तो नहीं.
I would give a major amount of credit to Shyam Kaushal and to Hrithik.
That required a lot of skill, but I'm happy with what I see now in the film. So hard work pays.
जरा जरा नींद भी अजनबी सी हो गई. जरा जरा चैन से दुश्मनी सी हो गई. तुम मिले खो गया है खुद का ही पता. क्या करूं क्या नहीं कुछ बस में ना रहा. समझूं कैसे कोई समझाए. दिल क्या करे जब किसी से किसी को प्यार हो जाए. जाने कहाँ कब किसी को किसी से प्यार हो जाए. इस दुनिया की रस्में ना कुछ तेरे बस में जाना ना कुछ मेरे बस में. तुम मिले खो गया है खुद का ही पता. क्या करूं क्या नहीं कुछ बस में ना रहा. समझूं कैसे कोई समझाए. दिल क्या करे जब किसी से किसी को प्यार हो जाए. जाने कहाँ कब किसी को किसी से प्यार हो जाए. किसी से प्यार हो जाए.